हेलो एवरीवन, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल स्टार्ट द न्यू टॉपिक फ्रॉग. ओके, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने कॉकरोच तक स्टडी किया था. फ्रॉग स्टडी करेंगे. फ्रॉग बिलोंग्स टू क्लास एम्फीबिया. मोस्ट कॉमन स्पीशीज इन इंडिया इज Rana. They are cold blooded animal. Body temperature varies according to environmental temperature. They have ability to change the body color according to the environment. They undergo hibernation, summer sleep, estivation, winter sleep. Morphology: skin is smooth and moist, slippery due to mucus. Dorsal body is olive green with dark irregular spots. Ventral side of the body is uniformly pale yellow colored. The frog never drinks water and absorbs it through skin. Hygroscopic. Body divisible into head and trunk. Neck is absent on either side of the eye. A membranous tympanum represents the external ear to receive the sound waves. Forelimbs and hind limbs help in swimming, leaping, and burrowing. Forelimb have 4 digits and hind limb is stronger. A hand has 5 digits. Frog exhibits sexual dimorphism. Male frog distinguished from female frog, having sound producing vocal sac, copulatory pad, or amplexary pad on the first digit of the forelimb. Anatomy: digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is short because frogs are carnivorous. Mouth opens into buccal cavity that leads to esophagus through pharynx. Esophagus is short tube that opens into the stomach, which in turn continues as the intestine, rectum, and finally opens outside by the cloaca. Next point. Liver secrete bile that is stored in the gallbladder. Pancreas, a digestive gland, produces pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes. Food is captured by bilobed tongue. Digestion of food takes place by the action of HCl and gastric juice secreted from the walls of the stomach. Partially digested food in the stomach is called chyme. Chyme passed from stomach to intestine, the duodenum. Duodenum receives the bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juice from pancreas through a common bile duct. Bile emulsifies fat and pancreatic juice digest carbohydrate and protein. Final digestion takes place in intestine. Digested food is absorbed by intestinal villi and microvilli. The undigested food removed to outside through cloaca. Next is respiratory system. In water, frog respire through skin, cutaneous respiration. Exchange of respiratory gases takes place through diffusion. In land, it respires through buccal cavity, skin, and lungs. Respiration by lungs is pulmonary respiration. During estivation and hibernation, it respires through skin. Circulatory system: the blood vascular system includes heart, blood vessel, and blood. The lymphatic system includes lymph nodes and lymphatic vessel. Heart is 3-chambered with 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Heart is covered by a membrane called pericardium. A triangular sinus venous opens into right auricle. It receives the deoxygenated blood through vena cava. The ventricle opens into conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. From the conus arteriosus, the blood circulated to different part of the body by atrial system. Blood collected from the body to the heart by venous system. A special venous connection between liver and intestine is called hepatic portal system. Venous connection between lower part of the body and kidney is called renal portal system. The blood is composed of plasma and cells. The blood cells are RBC, WBC, thrombocytes, or platelets. RBC is nucleated and contains hemoglobin. The lymph differs from it. It lacks proteins and RBC. Excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, ureter, cloaca, and urinary bladder. Each kidney composed of several uriniferous tubules or nephrons. The ureter arises from the kidney, act as urinogenital duct which opens into cloaca in male. In female, the ureter and oviduct open separately into the cloaca. Thin-walled urinary bladder located ventral to rectum opens to the cloaca. The frog excretes nitrogenous wastage in the form of urea, hence ureotelic. Okay, next point. Control and coordination system. It includes both nervous and endocrine system. Chemical coordination is carried out by hormones secreted by endocrine gland. Endocrine gland found in frog are pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreas, adrenal, and gonads. The nervous system organized into central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves, autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerves arise from the brain. Brain is enclosed inside the cranium. The brain differentiated into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain include paired olfactory lobe, paired cerebral hemisphere, unpaired diencephalon. Midbrain is characterized by a pair of optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata passes through foramen of magnum and continues as spinal cord which runs inside the vertebral column. Sense organ. Frog has different types of sense organs. Organ of touch, sensory papilla. Taste bud. Smell, nasal epithelium. Vision, eye. Hearing, tympanum with internal ear. Eye is well organized inside the orbit of the skull. Ear is an organ for hearing and equilibrium balancing. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes attached to the upper part of the kidney by mesorchium. Vasa efferentia 10 to 12 in number arises from the testes. They enter into the kidney and opens into Biddar's canal. Next point. Biddar's canal communicates with the urinogenital duct that comes out of the kidney and opens into the cloaca. The cloaca is a small median chamber that is used to pass fecal matter, urine and sperm to the exterior. Female reproductive system includes a pair of ovaries present near the kidney. A pair of oviduct arises from the ovaries, opens into the cloaca separately. A mature female lays 2500 to 3000. 2500 to 3000 ova at a time. Fertilization is external, that is in water. Development is indirect. Involved a larval stage called tadpole larva. Tadpole larva metamorphosis into adult frog. Okay. Now we will discuss next chapter in next video. Okay, on this channel we will provide you best content of PCB. If my videos are helpful for you, then please subscribe this channel Learning Point. Thank you.